As a small business owner, managing finances efficiently is crucial for success. While QuickBooks is a popular choice, there are other alternatives that may better suit your needs. In this guide, we will explore 3 top QuickBooks alternatives: FreshBooks, Zoho Books, and Xero. First, let's consider FreshBooks, a cloud-based accounting solution designed specifically for small businesses. It offers features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and project management. FreshBooks is user-friendly and provides a free trial, making it an excellent choice for businesses with limited accounting experience. Next, we have Zoho Books, a comprehensive accounting software that integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps. It offers advanced features like inventory management, budgeting, and financial reporting. Zoho Books is scalable and affordable, making it an excellent choice for growing businesses. Xero is another popular alternative, offering a wide range of features like invoicing, payroll management, and financial reporting. It also provides a user-friendly interface and seamless integration with other business apps. Xero is a great choice for businesses that require advanced accounting features and collaboration tools. When choosing the best QuickBooks alternative, consider your business needs and size. FreshBooks is ideal for small businesses with simple accounting needs, while Zoho Books and Xero are better suited for growing businesses with more complex financial requirements. In terms of pricing, FreshBooks offers a monthly plan starting at $6. Zoho Books starts at $9 per month, and Xero's plan begins at $9 per month. It's essential to evaluate the features and pricing plans of each alternative to determine which one provides the best value for your business. In conclusion, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, and Xero are all excellent QuickBooks alternatives for small businesses. By considering your business needs and evaluating the features and pricing plans of each option, you can make an informed decision and choose the best accounting software for your business.